Guys, what a night. Hey, Steve, buddy, what's going on? Yeah, it was a heck of a night. I didn't shoot any video tonight. And just hung out with my friends and got to just enjoy and be a car guy.
Go in and get some stuff at Cane's and then I get some leave.
There you go. And yeah, I just had dinner and hung out with my buddies. And
come here, you want to see something?
Yeah, let me see what you got. Hey, there's Vince. What's up, Vince? Hooligans in the house. One of the nights here, I didn't shoot at Garden Grove. I just came out and hung out with friends. So I'm going to go ahead and catch the rollout, though, which is always a blast. Oh, there's that Mercury Colony wagon. There's Mercedes Tom. He's in the house. What up there, Tom? Roll out, brother. There we go. We got the Darlings in the house here. Shantae. And we're going to catch the rollout. So, Garden Grove, Patrick, PCTV. Rollout has begun here at Garden Grove. Yeah, buddy. Look at this. Looking good. Nice 65 Sprint, maybe a 64. Original black plate. New gen Camaro. Oh, look at that. It's a 4-door. Yeah. Nice patina. Don Allison in the house. Take care. Good night. Love you, bro. We got Don Allison. We got a badass locomotion truck. Very sick. Here comes the Packard, 57, I believe. Or 55. Oh, that's a beautiful car. There's Rod Dixon, 347. When you're first, good to see you. Woo-hoo. There we go. Yep, yep. Mustang coming through. Oh, looks like the Weiss is. Definitely gonna be there for the party after cruising for a carrot.
All right, great. Thank you, Pete.
All right. Fun night. I didn't even shoot any video till now.
All right, really?
No, I took the night off. I just hung out.
That's good for you.
Yeah, you know, it's nice to be able to just enjoy your friends.
Oh, hell yeah.
You know, good to see you.
All right.
Take care. Bye, Jeannie. All right. Oh, nice. 39? Beautiful Chevy. Gorgeous. Very beautiful. Oh, look at the lights on this, man. These things are just sick. Beautifully built. There we go. We got Cop Car Bruce in the house. Yeah, here comes Cop Car Bruce. SCC Patrol. We got Vince, Hooligans. Yeah, buddy. Have a good night, brother.
Thank you, sir.
Vince with the Hooligans. Now, oh, here comes that badass Tri-5. Quick 55. Beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah. That sounds like John Hoisington right behind you. Okay, I can see you grinning from here. I can see you all the way to the bike. Oh man, look at that grin. You hate driving this car, I can just tell. Good to see you. Oh, my buddy John. Mother, yeah, PCTV. Willie.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, no TV. What the hell? There goes Willie. Oh, there go the Weddingtons. It's moving fast. Everybody's heading out quick tonight, man. Nice. Barreling 500. Maybe a 63. Oh, look at that. We got a Fox Body in the house. Fox Body convertible. Look at that. Woo! These are getting popular, man. People are starting to discover these cars. Oh, you rolled by the other day. I remember you. They're lined up deep and cheap here at Garden Grove tonight, guys. I didn't do any shooting. I just hung out with friends and I had food, a couple of beers. We got Doug Dorr with the Frankenburb. Almost my namesake to the Franken's head. Good night, bro. I got here late tonight, so I just kind of hung out. There goes Doug Dorr. Nice Mustang heading out. Looks like Paul.
How you doing, buddy?
Hey, good. Newport Elementary, what is that?
October 7th. It is the best venue for a car show. It's on Newport Elementary on a Balboa Peninsula.
I love that show.
On their playground, which is on the beach.
Which is so badass, and I've missed this show freaking, I don't know, I'm bad.
Another big news is I've got asked to bring back the VA Veterans Day show, Veterans Day at the VA Hospital in Long Beach.
Sweet.
November 10th.
Nice.
Good to
I
see
have
you.
got to get an active calendar. That's my biggest
Yes, you
problem.
do.
I do. I forget everything. Good to see you, Paul. All right, Paul in the house. There we go. Yo, yo. Have a great night.
Okay, thank you, sir. See you next week.
Next week it is.
Okay, my
We'll make it a date. Oh, there's that LS1 vet out of control. Thing's crazy. It's so quiet. Okay. Such a sick ride. Yeah. Take care, bro. Latin gents heading out. Nice. Good night. Come on. You know what, guys? That about does it for me here in Garden Grove. I had a quick night. A lot of good friends out. Appreciate you guys watching the channel. PCTV out.
More sauce.